Hi, Vepo Plumbers here once again. Okay, today we're making a video of how we did a surface piping for a commercial, actually a hotel. So we're doing what most people call industrial piping, where you use the drop-in anchors, threaded rods. So the first thing we did was to mark where we want our pipes to run, get the levels and mark them out with our measuring tape and our marker. That's the bull's eye. And we join the lines to make sure we get a straight line so that our pipes will look good aesthetic wise if they decide to paint it and leave it just open on the surface. And we get our drill bit and our Bosch drilling machine. Ensure I work out our eye goggles and those masks and we start to drill. So we drill the hole depending on the depth that we need. That's our dropping anchor to the rod and the saddle clamp for the pipe. That's for a 1-inch pipe. So we put on the dropping anchor, we use the hammer to hit it, force it in. When it gets to where it's supposed to be, the depth, then we use a punch to hit the dropping anchor so it expands. We'll tie the threaded rod that we've measured to the saddle clip. And we've tightened it. Yeah, make sure we got into the level. We use our spanners to make sure it's tight and firm. And after that, we start our piping. So the PPR piping, yeah, you know what it is. It's not new. So you make sure you melt the pipe sufficient with your machine and join it to make sure the edges are straight and properly joined. It's good to wear your hand gloves so you don't get burnt. So then we do the coupling, chiseling a bit to ensure that our pipe falls into place where it's meant to be. And we join the next joint. Yeah, I will put a few nails to support the pipe in place before we put the cementing mortar. Make sure the pipe is yeah, so this is how it looks. The threaded rods. Now the spacing here we use 0.9 meter for the pipe support spacing. So yeah, stay with us in this video to see how it looks. We've done a lot of the piping. So now this is what we did there. So why are the pipe this high close to the beam, column, so to say? Yeah, it's because they're gonna do a POP to cover the pipe. So you can see how we mark to the lines, the joints, pipe support, the distances we get for them. That's the 1.25 pipe. Pipes going in into the rooms with the 1-inch pipe. I didn't make a video of the rooms, but that will be a video for another day. So yeah, it's a lot of work. So because you do it at a height, it's a bit stressful. If you forget something, you have to come all the way down to get it, or ask someone to get it for you. So yeah, this is the PPR piping, the potable water supply piping, going through the passage, or what we call the corridor. So yeah, so this is the waste piping for the same method. This is the waste piping. It's been done. Yeah, this is 3 inches waste piping, taking the grey water. When I mean grey water, I mean when I say grey water, I mean the water from the wash basin, water from the shower, water from the bidet. It's called grey water. The black water is the one from the WC. So that one we use, one for WC we use the 4-inch pipe, that's the black water. Pipe for the grey water we use 3 inches pipe to connect for the rooms. So yeah, that's one of the Vepo Plumbers working, doing a point there. So aftermath, this is it. This is us checking the levels of the grey water piping we've done to be sure that we have the right flow that we're supposed to have as we tighten the clips. So we'll use a plumb. Yeah, plumb to be sure that the water is flowing in the right direction. Then aftermath, we pour in water into the pipes to be sure that the joints are well sealed and there are no leaks. Now this is the water flowing as shown. We have a good fall and the water is flowing up. We use the fall of 1 in 60 here. That's a drop of 1 meter for every 60 meter. So we do the mathematics and that helps us to cut the rods so we don't go and start measuring while we're on top. So we are checking out the joints. So you can see the video by inspecting the joints and there are no leaks whatsoever. So yeah, thank you for being with Vepo Plumbers. Stay on this page to be educated, to see what we do. Thank you. Thank you.